Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I wasn't planning on making this a video of its own, but after I got done creating this look, I was like, you know what? This is some fall vibes right here. I think that people might want to see this. So I went ahead and decided to just film this intro, and now here we are. How I got this look, I'm actually using the new, what is this? Oh, the new Morphe 35M palette, aka the Boss Mood palette. And I got this in PR. Ooh, let's see if I can open it. I got this in PR a few days back, and here is what it looks like. You have like your greens, and then you have your green browns, and then you have your warmer tone shades. So there's definitely a mixture of colors in here. You guys know I hate this flappy thing right here, but what can I do? What can I do? If you want more detail on how this look was achieved, just go ahead and keep on watching. Voiceover time. All right, so first I laid down some tape because I was going for a look with a straight edge. I use paper tape because it's a lot easier, it's more flexible, and also more comfortable on the skin. As a base, I'm dabbing on the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I get asked a lot what brush this is. It's a LaPage Trends brush, but it doesn't have a name. I'm taking this plum shade called Power Slayer, and I'm packing that over the entirety of the eyelids. I did also take it up near the crease, a little bit over the crease as well. I'm then blending in the darkest brown shade in the palette, and the shade is called Sparks Fly. Using circular motions, I'm blending it into the perimeter of the plum, and I did struggle with this a bit, but the more I went in, the better it got. I also ended up covering some of that brown with the first shade later on, just because it seemed like a few areas were kind of patchy. Now I'm lightly blending in the shade called Candy Crush to the outer perimeter. I'm not really sure how to describe this color. It's like a mauvey pink, but heavy on the pink, you know? I'm using a smaller brush this time. I think this one is the Sigma E36. I do have a code with Sigma, by the way. In case you're wondering, it's Youkeyy, Y-U-K-I. I'm taking that shade a bit up close to the brow bone because I really wanted a blown out look. I did go back in a few times with each shade just for a better blend. I also did take up that plum color more as well. And lastly, I went back in to add Candy Crush. So just my normal steps. I used the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46, blended it out with the Shop Miss A Pawpaw Charity Sponge. And to set the concealer, I used my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 35 Deep. And you guys know I pat that in repeatedly. Blah, blah, blah. You already know the deal. Can you tell I'm tired? I'm tired. Okay. So after I contoured with the Sleek Face Contour Kit in Deep, I did go back in to finish off the lower eyes. All I did was stamp on Power Slayer to the bottom lash line, and I'm using a Sigma pencil brush for this, but I did notice that after a while, some of that color did disappear, just a heads up. For the inner corner, I use a shimmer shade called Grape Expectations. I love that name, it's super cute. However, I felt like it was a bit too dark for the inner corner, so I went back in and added on a lighter color to it. It's actually the lightest shimmer in the palette, called Light of the Party, and it's a light beige. I lined my eyes, sprayed my face, all that good stuff, yada yada, and then I decided I wanted some blush, so I went ahead and added that over top. I ended up using that 24K highlight shade from the Sigma blush palette that I had unboxed a few videos back, and it was actually lit. I thought it was going to be too dark for me, but it turns out it wasn't as dark as I thought it was going to look on me. So yeah, that was cool. The lip color that I used is by Colored Rain, and the shade is Tootsie. This look was actually inspired by this lip color, and it came out perfectly. It's like they were made for each other. Seriously. So yeah, that's how I got this look, guys. This is the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's giving me a whole lot of fall, autumn, dark glam. This palette actually performed pretty well. I had a bit of issues with a tiny little bit of patchiness on one of the colors, but it wasn't that big a deal. I was able to blend it out. So this is the completed look that we are rocking for today, and I am loving it. And if you guys are too, be sure to let me know down below in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe, share, follow me on social media, all that good stuff. And thank you once again for watching one of my videos and for supporting me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Lord willing, stay blessed. Bye.